What's the meaning of camper? Camper. Camper.
Camper. Camper. A camper is a person who enjoys spending time outdoors, often in a tent or recreational vehicle. The term can also refer to the vehicle that is used for camping, such as an RV or trailer. Camper culture is popular worldwide, with many people taking part in camping trips as a way to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy nature. Camping can be a fun and affordable way to travel, providing opportunities for adventure, relaxation, and socializing with other campers.